Looking to compare ClickUp, Monday, and Asana to see which one truly stands out as the best? In this video, I'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of all three tools to help you decide which one will work best for your team. But stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing an alternative that could be the game changer you're looking for. Let's kick things off with ClickUp. It's an all-in-one platform that promises to streamline your workflow with tons of features like task management, document sharing, time tracking, and even goal tracking. Sounds great, right? But here's the thing. ClickUp can be overwhelming for new users. The sheer number of features and customization options might feel like too much if you're just starting out. Plus, it's known to have a bit of a learning curve, and some people have experienced sluggish performance when dealing with large projects. Next, we have Monday.com, which is known for its clean, visual interface. It's easy to use right from the start, and it's great for teams that prefer a highly visual project management tool. The drag and drop features are intuitive, and you can track progress in real time with its dashboard. But like ClickUp, Monday can also get expensive if you want more advanced features. And while it's easier to use initially, it lacks some of the more advanced project tracking capabilities that you might find in other tools, especially when scaling up. Now, let's talk about Asana. Asana has been around for a while and has built a strong reputation. It's great for teams that need task management without the distractions of too many features. Asana's simplicity is its strength, making it easy for anyone to pick up and start using right away. It also offers solid integrations with a wide range of apps. However, Asana can lack the depth of customization options that ClickUp and Monday offer. And when it comes to project timelines, it doesn't always have the flexibility that larger teams might need. The fourth thing worth mentioning is pricing. When comparing ClickUp, Monday, and Asana, you'll notice a trend. ClickUp offers a free plan, but it can be very limited in functionality. Monday and Asana both have free versions, but once you hit certain limits, you'll need to pay for premium features. ClickUp's pricing is a bit more complex, offering different plans based on the number of users and features, while Monday's pricing tends to be higher for the premium plans with more features. Asana keeps it simpler, but still can become pricey depending on your team's needs. Finally, user support. All three platforms provide solid customer service options, but ClickUp is known for being more responsive, especially in its paid plans. Monday also has good support, but it can take a bit longer for more complex issues. Asana's customer service is adequate but doesn't stand out compared to ClickUp and Monday. Now, while these three tools all have their strengths, they also have significant downsides, especially if you're looking for something more streamlined and cost-effective. After trying all of them myself, I believe there's an alternative that better aligns with what many users are looking for. If you're tired of the bloated features and want something simpler, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best deal available with exclusive benefits for our viewers. You won't regret giving it a try. Click the link and see for yourself.